Hey, to record slow motion videos on the Nothing Phone 2a, for sure you have to open the camera, and now to find the mode you have to swipe to the right side 2 times. And first of all, we can actually find this information about the resolution at the top, but it's actually unfortunately locked into the Full HD in the 120 frames per second. So we can actually change the resolution, and even when you go for some settings, like there's nothing about the changing this speed. So from here you have to pick the lens, and now it's actually recommended to record like this in the landscape mode. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. First, before recording, you should like click on this shutter, and now after like 1 second, just start recording the action. So basically wherever you want. And now, when you open this video, you can actually find the slow motion effect just right here. There we go. And this slow motion videos actually looks pretty nice. So yeah, that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.